Hello everyone, my name is Anna Marcelino and the digital tool that I'm going to show you today is Nearpod.com. Now Nearpod is a website. You can sign up for free or there's different levels that you can sign up for to pay. Nearpod is an amazing tool because it allows you to do so many different things. Their catchphrase is, "You don't know how you would ever teach without it," and I definitely agree. I have no idea how I ever taught without this tool. So what you are looking at now is actually a slide that I have uploaded. So you can think of Nearpod kind of like a digital presentation tool. So I'm going to kind of toggle back and forth between two tabs. So this tab that we're looking at is the presentation or the student view. This other tab, I'm going to kind of walk you through some of the things that Nearpod can do. So this is actually a presentation that I gave my own students. So I'm going to kind of walk you through it real quick. It was a lesson we did in class, and you can see student answers and what it looks like facilitating this in the classroom. So yeah, there's just a couple of slides getting us started in the morning. And then I usually start class with a question. So today our question was, what are ways humans modify the environment? And if you scroll, you can see my students' answers. This is called a collaboration board. So basically you ask this question, students answer on their own devices, and it automatically pops up onto your screen, or you can set the settings where you approve it. We have short answer questions. This is an awesome way to get data. So you ask a question. I have a CFS here. And then you can see student answers. What's really cool about this is that you can share answers that you think are really good with the rest of the class, and it will pop up on everyone's screen, and you can kind of use that as examples. So this is a great way to do like a quick check for understanding. You can you can embed videos right into the presentation. More collaboration boards. There's another slide so I created this slide on PowerPoint and then uploaded it. So that's kind of what it looks like for the student side. Now there's way more that you can do with Nearpod. You will have to go in and view all of the cool activities that you can do. Time to Climb is a cool gamification feature. Flipgrid is an awesome video feature. You can have students draw, drag and drop, take a quiz, fill in the blank. You have many, many different choices here. For content, you can do some really, really cool things. So you could upload slides, videos, websites, vocabulary, which I love. It even has a calculator option. And this one is one of my favorites, virtual field trips. So I really hope that you give this tool a try. If you've never used it before, I promise you it is a game changer for sure.